This is a non-sleep, deep rest relaxation practice to recharge the nervous system and restore physical and mental energy. To begin, find a comfortable position, lying down face up on your back with your arms lying alongside your body. You may wish to modify this position and lie on your side, or practice in the seated position, depending on convenience or whether you have an injury that prevents you from lying on your back. Now that you're in a comfortable position, close your eyes. I'm going to count backwards slowly from 10 to 1. And as I count backwards, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. At the count of 1, feeling deeply, deeply relaxed. 10, 9, 8, releasing tension. 7, 6, 5, moving deeper into relaxation. 4, 3, 2, 1. You are now entering a very deep state of relaxation. Feel your eyelids relax. Relax the muscles around and behind your eyes. Release any tension in your jaws. Feel a wave of relaxation entering the crown of your head, flowing down through the body and out through the toes. We're now going to carry out a body scan. As I name each body part, bring your full awareness to that part of the body, noticing the sensations that are already present and observing any new sensations that may arise. Bring your awareness to the soles of both feet. Your right heel, all the toes of the right foot, right ankle, right shin, right calf, right knee, right thigh, right hamstring, back of the thigh, right hip, the right side of the abdomen, the right side of the chest. Bringing your awareness to your right hand, the palm of your right hand, all of your fingers, the right wrist, the right elbow, the right shoulder, the whole right arm. Now bring your awareness back to the soles of both feet. And now your left heel. All the toes of the left foot. The left ankle. Left shin. Left calf. Left knee. Left thigh. Back of the left thigh. Left hip. Left side of the abdomen. Left side of the chest. Bringing your awareness to your left hand, the palm of your left hand, all the fingers of your left hand, left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, the whole left arm. Now bring your awareness to the tailbone at the base of the spine. And the sacrum, the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the shoulder blades, back of the neck, the base of the skull, the crown of the head, the face, the bridge of your nose, or nostrils. And as you're focusing your awareness on your nose, turn your attention to your breath, observing the natural rhythm of your breath without changing it. I'm going to count to 3. At the count of 3, you will take a deep breath in through the nose and then let out a sigh through the mouth. And feel yourself entering into an even deeper level of relaxation. 1, 2, 3. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And letting out a long sigh. Entering now into an even deeper state of relaxation. Now rest in silent awareness and stillness for the next few minutes. Now, without opening your eyes, return your awareness to your immediate environment. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the feeling of your body on the surface beneath you. I'm now going to slowly count upwards from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you will gently open your eyes, bringing that feeling of deep relaxation back with you as you return to your day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes, feeling relaxed, recharged, refreshed. So this was a non-sleep deep rest session. Non-sleep deep rest, or NSDR, is a relaxation practice which takes your body into a deep state of rest and relaxation while you remain awake or in a very light trance. This is a restorative rest practice that helps reduce stress and nervous tension and increase mental clarity and emotional well-being. If you found this practice helpful, please check out the Yoga Nidra meditation videos on my channel. Yoga Nidra belongs to the category of non-sleep deep rest practices, and it's designed to bring about a state of deep peace. And one of the translations of the term Yoga Nidra is peace beyond words. So if you enjoyed this non-sleep deep rest practice, I encourage you to try the Yoga Nidra meditation videos as well. And please subscribe to the channel if you find these meditations helpful. Thanks for joining me for this non-sleep deep rest practice. My name is Chantel. Bye for now.